where does the word Bharat come from? Well, Bharat was used to describe for a group of people who lived in the northwest and who were mentioned in Rig Veda. In India, we have four Vedas: Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, and Athar Veda. So Rig Veda is the earliest composition in Sanskrit, which was written around 3,500 years ago. And later, that term, which was used to denote a group of people, started using for a country also. Alright, so India and Bharat. Now, finding out about our past. Well, there are several ways. Number one, manuscripts. What are manuscripts? Manuscripts are old books which are usually written on a palm leaf. Or on the bark of a tree known as birch. क्या नाम है पेड़ का? Birch. Bark of a tree known as birch, which grows in Himalayas. So manuscripts. Now, what is a script? Dear friends, script consists of letters and signs. And it is used to write. Language, when we read what is written or speak, we use language. Script matlab lipi, language matlab bhasha. When we write, we use a script. When we read or speak, we use language. All right. So manuscripts were perishable in nature. They were written on palm leaf, so they were perishable in nature. They can be eaten by insects, and they were destroyed by fire. But some of the manuscripts were safe in temples and monasteries, thankfully. Manuscripts, they used to deal with all kinds of subjects like religious beliefs and teachings, science, medicine, lives of kings, etc. Many of these were written in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil. Three languages: Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil. Prakrit was the language of the ordinary people. Now we will talk about inscriptions. What are inscriptions? Writings on relatively hard surfaces. Writings on relatively hard surfaces like metal or stone is known as inscription. One example of one famous inscription is Ashoka inscription. Alright, remember that. Now we will study about some terms. Terms like archaeologist, source, decipherment, etc. So we will begin with archaeologist. Who are archaeologists? Well, archaeologists study objects made and used in the past. They study the remains of the buildings made of stone and brick, old paintings in the cave, sculptures, etc. What do archaeologists do? They excavate. What do you mean by excavate? Dig under the surface of earth. Dig under the surface of earth is excavation. Why do they excavate? They excavate to find out about pots, pans, ornaments, weapons, tools, old coins, etc. And they use all these objects to know about the history. Okay, some of these objects are made of stone, baked clay. Baked clay is also known as terracotta. Metal, bones, etc. Well, bones are very significant. They help us to understand what the early humans they used to eat. We have to see the bone belongs to an animal or a bird or fish, and then we can find out that they used to eat this animal, this bird or fish. All right. Now, what do you mean by source? Source refer to information that we gather from manuscript. This is the word that archaeologists use. Archaeologists and historians use. Now another term is decipherment. Decipherment. What is the meaning of decipherment? Well, decipherment is the process of understanding about what is written in manuscripts and inscriptions. It is not easy to understand the old language. So there is a process to understand what is written in manuscripts and inscriptions. And the process is known as decipherment. Well, okay, in history, dates are very significant. Very significant. If I ask you what is the date today, well, I am not asking about the day, month or year. I am asking about how will you say that what is today, like this era. This is AD 2021. AD 2021. Now, what do you mean by that? It means 2021 years after the birth of Jesus Christ, who's the founder of Christianity. Well, yes, these years are counted from the date generally assigned to the birth of Jesus Christ. And what do you mean by BC? BC means before Christ. BC stands for before Christ. All the dates before the birth of Christ, they are counted backwards. All the dates before the birth of Christ, they are counted backwards, and they are usually denoted by letters BC, before Christ, and AD. AD stands for Anno Domini. AD stands for Anno Domini. So you have to remember AD and BC concept. All right? Okay. Thank you.